here with Epson Labelworks. Today I'm with the PX900 and we're going to make this label. For this label, we're using a 1.5 inch black on yellow tape supply. To create the label, we're going to enter 2 lines of text, change the font size and layout. We're going to add a frame around our text, and we're going to use the column feature to add our symbols. All right, let's get started. We're going to start by adding the text to our label. Go ahead and type that in now. Press return to get down to a second line. Now let's go ahead and change the font size. We're going to use the font size button here. So press that and you'll notice it gives us some different options. We're going to scroll through the different options and select the one that you want. When you stop on that selection, it'll apply it automatically to your label. All right, now let's center our text. We're going to press the edit menu button here. We're going to scroll to layout and press return. Again, scroll to center and press return. Now the area, we want to apply it to this block. Next, let's add the frame around our text. Back into the edit menu, and this time we're going to select frame and table. Press return on frame, scroll through and select the frame that you want to apply to your label. And again, we're going to apply it to this block. All right, now let's go ahead and add a second column to our label. We're going to press the column button and you'll notice it brings you to 0 to 1. This is indicating our second column. Now let's add our symbols. Press the symbol icon, scroll through the categories and select the one you want, pressing return. Then once you're in that category, find the symbol you want and again press return to apply it to your label. When you're ready to get to the second line, press the return key to jump down just like you do with text. Now finish adding your symbols. If you needed to make other changes, you could do that now, but we're ready to push print. Perfect! That was exactly the label I wanted to make. If you have questions on the PX900 or want to chat about your labeling needs, give us a call. Our local support team is here to help. Thanks again and happy labeling!